Hello, everybody. It's Mindy, and I'm here today with an unboxing video from Paintsomeway. It's been a hot minute since I've gotten some little packages, but you know, China was on vacation there for a while. Anyhow, this is from Paintsomeway. So first of all, thank you, Paintsomeway, for letting me pick out some things. And as you can already tell, I have some items that are a little different from their website because, you know, why not? I like to look around and see what else they might have. And from time to time, get something that's not diamond painting related. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Let's look at it. Okay, so yes, I went looking for yarny things. Now they have a lot of crochet sets, crochet hook sets, little pouches, little cases, things like that, but they did have some yarn. This always cracks me up. I don't quite understand. Milk cotton. A lot of like amigurumi projects and stuff ask you to use milk cotton. And milk cotton, look, it's not cotton at all. It is 100% soft acrylic. This one is very fine. That would be like probably a 1 weight, maybe a 2 weight. So it's very fine. It doesn't give you much information on here except it was manufactured in China. No color, number, name, nothing like that. So there's not a whole lot of information here, but it is very soft. It's very nice and squishy. Probably, you know, 100 yards or so. I don't know. I have no idea. But I thought I'd pick up a couple, and these are the two I got. I got the same color because that just seemed easier. I could, you know, do a little something with it. It's not exactly what the picture showed. I mean, it is, but it isn't. Let me explain. When I first went to the site, the picture that came up was this with purple in it, right? So I thought I was getting like a yellowy orange with some purple flecks in it. But then the next pictures, as you scroll through the listing, were all just solid yellow. So, well, it's not solid yellow, but there's no purple. So I don't know. That was a little misleading, I suppose. But anyhow, it's still pretty. Okay, we'll see what I come up with. I'm thinking sunflowers. I don't know. We'll see. They would make smaller sunflowers, but because it's a finer yarn, I don't know. They'd be pretty though, wouldn't they? I think they'd be very pretty. Okay, so I got that. Next, I got this little item right here. It came in this little box. So let's show you what this is. It's all wrapped up in some bubble wrap and tape. Bubble wrap and tape. Okay. And then it's in a little plastic bag. Okay, let's get it out of here. Come on. This was, I believe, advertised as a needle minder. I think I found it in the like yarny area. But anyhow, look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. They had several gnomes with different flowers and things. So it's like a plastic. And then it has a big magnet on the back. So, I mean, you'd need another magnet to make this a cover minder. You know, it could be a magnet. You put it on the refrigerator. You do whatever you like to do with it. But I just thought it was super cute. It's only a couple bucks, and I thought I'd get one and see what it's about. So there's that. Okay, those are my non-diamond painting items. So let's look at diamond painting items next. I have a painting here. It comes with a toolkit such as that. And look how cute that is. It's just this cute little tree house, you know, and flowers. We got a little swing coming down. It's very fairy gardenish, right? Very fairy gardenish. And I thought it was really cute. I thought it was super cute. So there are 8, 9, 10 different drills for this. A couple of special drills. Looks like 8 is a special drill, and the A and the B. Here's some B, and here's some A's up in the tree up there. Super cute though. Look, I think these are like lights hanging out of the trees. That does look like a little swing, but maybe it's just a little light. I don't know. Anyhow, let's look at the drills. I thought it was super cute. There were a few like that in that same kind of theme. A little different, you know. All right, here we go. Hey, a strip of drills that doesn't start with clear. Look at that. Starts with a light pink. Love it. And then we have a yellowy gold, couple of greens, a lighter yellowy gold, a blue. This is like a gray right here. And then here are some pretty little pink teardrops. That would be the number 8. And we have some white pearly teardrops and some yellow gold faceted round. So super cute. I like that one a lot. Okay, let's set that aside, and we got one more item today. One more item. I did not open this box. I don't remember what's in it. So it's going to be a surprise to me. The other things, of course, I had seen. So you'll see that they have this piece of foam in here now. So when they're sending acrylic items, they're packaging it with little foam so it doesn't slop around in there, because, you know, I've got several items that have had little broken pieces. So thank you. Thank you. You know, they have finally kind of changed things a little bit. And okay, this is not what I ordered, or not what I intended to order. I can tell you that right now. So it must have been one of those multi-listings, and you had to put down a certain code to order the correct one, because I would not have ordered the aquarium looking gnome. I'm certain I ordered, or I wanted to order something different. I clearly did order this one, but that's not what I intended to order. Anyhow, there it is. Look at that hat. He's got a crazy hat. And then we got the shells and fish over here. So he's definitely an under the sea gnome. That would not have been my style. I'm certain I was going for something a little different than this one. Anyhow, this has chain and hooks, so it hangs. That's a hanging piece. It's pretty. I mean, it's pretty, and I'm certain somebody out there is going to absolutely love it. It's just not my style. Wonder what I really did want. I don't know. I will link these items below. And like I said, you got to be careful, because lots of times they'll do a multi-listing. There might be 5, 6, 8, 10 different things all under one listing. They're similar, but they're different. So you have to make sure you get the one that you really wanted. All right, what do we have for drills? Clear, gold rhinestones, salmon, lime green, pretty blue, and a pink. Now the rest are special drills, and there are quite a few. So we have these pretty lime green round. We have some gold faceted marquees, some gold faceted rounds, some blue faceted rounds, and some pink faceted rounds. So those are our drills. All right, folks. Well, that's what I got. So a little assortment of things. Like I said, branch out a little bit, get a few different things. Why not? Why not? Got to try out some different stuff. So we got that. And we got us a little bit of yarn. I am thinking sunflowers for that. And our little cover minder. There it is, folks. Let me move it down so you can see. There we go. That's what we have. So again, thank you, Paintsomeway. And check out the links below if you're interested in these items. And this, I'm sure, will take you to multiple items. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. And hey, thank you for all of your support and hitting that like button and subscribing. We've got a lot of new subscribers. We're cruising to that 8,000. I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful we're going to get there, like maybe by my birthday. Shh. I didn't say that out loud, did I? But that's my hope. That's June. Okay, we got till June, people. We got till June. But thanks for doing what you do, and continue doing it, because it really has helped. More and more people are seeing my videos and subscribing. And thank you so much. I appreciate it greatly. All right. Until next time, have a good day, and I'll see everybody soon. Bye, you guys.